Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the 3D object panel and tap the import icon to add a model. The app accepts common formats like OBJ and FBX for mobile. Use pinch gestures to scale the model quickly with 2 fingers on the canvas. You can also enter numeric values to set exact scale for accuracy. Rotate with 1 finger and move with 2 fingers for precise placement. Keep models under 50 MB for smoother performance on most devices. Enter pose mode to select bones and rotate joints for custom poses. Use on-screen handles and sliders to refine limb angles comfortably. Lock proportions when scaling to preserve joint relationships in complex poses. Enable snap to grid and magnetic guides for precise placement on the canvas. Adjust the 3D camera angle until perspective matches your composition. Finally, tweak scene lighting to match shadows and highlights for a believable render. Choose to export a raster render or keep the 3D object editable for future edits. Create a render layer to bake lighting and shadows into a single image layer. Use brushes to paint over shadows, refine textures, or add stylized highlights seamlessly. If you prefer non-destructive workflow, group 3D layers and hide them before final edits. Save your file as PNG for web or PSD, for layered editing with 3D or flattened layers preserved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.